All right, look at Eliza's babies. They are 2 weeks old. No, yeah, 2 weeks old today. Just a week behind Ireland's. And quite active on the table when we were taking pictures. Mike and I had quite a time of it because he's been helping me. So I will show you, get resituated here a little bit so I can reach my hand in there and show you who's who. So Major, of course, is under the dog pile. Major. There's Major. Oh, just pretty baby. Yeah, and then we have Memphis. Yeah. A little teeny guy. Look how little he is. Little. Oh, big yawns. Yes, big yawns. And then we've got Midnight. Oh, another big yawn. Yes, we got eyes, though. And we've got Mufasa. And he kind of lives up to his name. Look, he's the chunky one. He's a chunky one. Look at how much bigger he is than Midnight. Look at that. Look at the two of them side by side. That's so funny. He's way bigger. Eliza tends to have small puppies because she's so small herself. And of course Kojo's not big either, so. Yeah. Everybody just loves looking at your butts. Yeah, like, come on, show your pretty faces. I was like, no. All right, so there you have Eliza's puppies, 2 weeks old.